Hi, are you also running out of space on your computer? With this Western Digital RED Plus 6TB space HDD, you will finally have some peace of mind for a while. The unboxing is very quick for this type of device. I've read that this hard disk drive is quite efficient and most importantly, built to last a long time. It's mainly designed for NAS and backup devices, but it's no problem to use it in a regular PC. To install the HDD, start with the PC turned off. Also switch off the PSU and open the PC case. If necessary, open both side panels. Your task is to find a spot to mount it. In my case, I am replacing an old drive that has simply become too small. Once the new HDD has found its place and it's screwed in, connect the power from the power supply unit and the SATA cable. Unfortunately, a SATA cable is not included in the package, so you will need to buy one separately. The last step is to find a socket on the motherboard where you can connect the SATA cable from the new HDD. Then close the PC case, turn on the PSU. Boot up the computer and enjoy the extra space. If you don't see your HDD in this PC, don't panic, just open Disk Management, boot up the disk, and assign a drive letter. It will then show up on your computer. And here is a quick speed test, moving a video file from an SSD to the HDD. I should mention that Windows is not installed on this specific SSD. Now let's copy the files back from the HDD to the SSD. I hope this video answers your questions. Good luck with your PC builds.